Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install FiveM for GTA 5 RP. So first up, what you need to do is to head to your browser and just type in FiveM, and you should be able to see this website right here. So just click on it in order to open this web page. Now do take note that before you do this, you're going to need to own the GTA 5 game, whether that's from Steam, Epic Games, or directly from their website. So once you have the GTA 5 app ready and installed on your device, then you can go ahead and download the FiveM client. So just click on download client, and from here you can just read out the terms of service if you'd like to just know what you're agreeing on. And after clicking on sure I agree, then this will automatically download the client for FiveM. Now after downloading this, just click on it or open its file location, and after running the app and installing it, it's going to open a file locator window wherein you're going to need to look for the GTA 5 app or GTA5.exe so that you can run FiveM. After doing that, you should be able to access FiveM for GTA 5. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.